Our ways were in sharp contrast to the European. Our women, for example, we considered equal to our men. When John Williams arrived, he was sent a delegation of high-born women to welcome him. He was outraged. Women were not accorded the same status as men in European society, so he saw this delegation as an insult. To people from a society where even table legs were clothed, our state of undress was high on the hit list in their efforts to evangelize through civilization. After all, no one could enter the pearly gates in such a raw state of nature. We, on the other hand, were disturbed by the rigidity of the missionaries' attitudes, and, as John Williams documents, we constantly entreated them to join us in our enjoyment of life. Through our journeys to each other's lands, we adopted aspects of culture from each other. This Taualuga dance of Tonga was adopted from Samoa many centuries ago. The Tongans have given it their unique style, so that today it is easily distinguished from this, the Samoan Taualuga.